Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are headed to go camping and we're going to do some fishing. We're going to try to hook our tent up to the van, see how that goes. But guys, we're going to try to get away, and we've been babysitting and I've been working around the yards doing stuff that I'm really supposed to do, and now it's time to go camping. And I hope we get a spot close to the lake. That's the spot we're looking for. And we're going to cook a rabbit. I'm going to rotisserie a rabbit, and we're going to have hamburgers. And guys, I'll see y'all when we get down there. And what?
And we're going to have breakfast this time.
We plan on having breakfast this time because we're going to do a two-nighter. But we are bringing breakfast stuff. So, going to cook us some breakfast, and basically going to just sit around, relax, and see what we can get into. And guys, I know we're going to do some fishing, and my grandson's wanting to do a catch and cook. So whatever, if we do catch enough brim, panfish, whatever, we're going to cook them. We're going to deep fry them and cook some fish. But anyway, guys, I do hope we catch some fish so we can cook them on the while we're down there. Guys, I'll see y'all when we get down there and start getting everything set up. It's under. It's under. Hey guys, we have my wife's caught two and I've caught two. She forgot the batter, so what we're gonna do, we're either gonna take some home or we're still gonna do a catch and cook up here. I think she's gonna try another way to cook them. But guys, I want y'all to look at the size. Let me get this one unhooked. I mean, that is beautiful. That is some good eating. I think that's a crappie. That's a crappie. Yeah. But hey, we're catching them. This will be the fourth one, and we're still getting bites. I'll get back with y'all when we start cooking them or catch some more. Well guys, we are out of bait, but I said we was going to do a catch and cook, and that's what we're going to do. We caught about, I don't know, I think we caught 5. But they're all about this size, guys. They're pretty decent fish. Fat fish, healthy fish.
I got one.
She's got one now. She's got one. All right, look at here. You got one. But we're tied now, I think. She's caught 3 and I've caught 3. But guys, this is some beautiful fish. We're gonna cook these things up tonight, and my grandson is wanting to do a catch and cook. So we're gonna cook these things up in the frying pan, and gonna be some good eating. I love panfish. A few crappie in there, and guys, we're gonna fish just a little while longer, and when we get up there and get to cooking them and cleaning them and cooking them, I'll get right back with y'all. All right, guys, we ended up catching about, I think we caught 7. Perfect little eating size. I was gonna clean them and cook them tomorrow. I was gonna clean them today and cook them tomorrow. But my grandson's wanting to do it today. So we're gonna do it today. I'm gonna come down here to the lake. I'm gonna clean them down here at the lake. Right there. I'm gonna clean them, and we may cook him a couple. I don't know if she's gonna cook them all, but we are. I may look tired, guys. My wife's been making fun of me today because I got up at 4:15. I got up at 15 to 5 o'clock this morning.
And look, he has told me this all day. I got up at 15 to 5. He done told me like 8 times.
Well, I know we was going camping today, so I got up early and I had the stuff to fix my truck. And I was going to get it on video, and I'm still going to show y'all. I'm still going to show y'all what was wrong with the truck and what the problem was. And I did start the truck today while my neighbors was at work because my truck is really, really, really loud. And I didn't want to fire my truck up at 5 o'clock this morning. So, but I did. Well, it was about six or 7. I started. I was up at 5 o'clock, out the door, got my truck fixed, started it up about 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and she got up around 8, and we packed the van up and came camping. So I've been kind of going all day. As soon as we got here, we set up a lot of stuff, most of our stuff, and we came down here and we fished for about 2 or 3 hours, and we caught these fish. So I'm gonna clean these fish, guys, and we're gonna get up there and cook them we're gonna get up there and shoot. My wife's gonna cook them, and I'll show a little bit of cleaning them. I don't know what YouTube will do. But anyway, I'm gonna do it anyway. And I'm gonna show y'all how I clean these fish. And when I get them clean, we'll get up there and start cooking them. See y'all in just a little bit. All right, guys, here's how I clean my fish. Been a long time, but anyway, I scale them, get them scaled. My wife's making me use my new Mora knife. Brand new, and here I am using it because she forgot hers. Oh, I don't like it. But anyway.
That's what it's for.
That's what it's for.
That's what it's for.
Ow.
You went fishing so you could use your more knife.
Yeah. I wish I had a cleaning board, but this is it. This is what I got. Couple weeks ago, I think they was on the bed. I don't know. I'm pretty sure because we did see them on the bed and they was not biting at all. Okay, and today, a couple weeks later, they just on fire. And usually when they come off the bed, they're hungry, and they was really biting. In about 2.5, 3 hours, we caught 7 fish. I want to keep the heads because I want to bait turtles with them, so I think I may do that. Well, I don't know if they was on the bed or not, because this one's full of eggs, as you can see. Well, at least the crappie wouldn't anyway. But anyway, guys, that's how I clean them. I'll scale them real good. I'm cleaning them right in the dirt, but I'm going to wash them real good. Make sure all the scales is off of them. Now, I told my grandson that the tails, you fry these things, I don't know, leave it in the comment, guys. But when we fry these fish, a lot of people may, I don't know, I do. And I've always done it ever since I was a kid. But I remember my mom and daddy frying fish. We'd catch fish, frying fish, and I love eating the tails. These tails get so crispy, and we would eat these tails, and they were so good. Leave it in the comment if any of y'all ate the tails of a fish, panfish. But I did. I always thought they was good. But anyway, guys, when I get all these cleaned up, I'll get back with y'all and show you, and then when I get them all cleaned up, get them back to the campsite, and we're gonna start frying them up. I'll see y'all in just a bit. All right, guys, I got all the fish cleaned. There they are. Beautiful pan fish, gonna be really good eating. My wife's fixing to batter them up and get them jokers to frying, and we're gonna have some good old fish. See y'all in a minute.
Okay, I didn't bring my fish batter, so I'm gonna use some buttermilk. Some seasoning salt. Some smoked paprika. Some black pepper.
I'm hoping these are.
All right, we got them soaking, fixing to batter them in some flour.
Hey guys, all right. My wife just got done cooking. She made this is the fish that we caught just a while ago, and she made potatoes. Now, guys, these fish, I would say, was fresh. 50 yards through that trail right there is the lake. We caught them, cleaned them, brought them up here, and cooked them. That's pretty doggone fresh. But anyway, guys, I'm so tired. We're gonna eat and clean up, and I may get back with y'all in a minute and let y'all hear the frogs. I'm glad we ain't sleeping in a tent tonight, because I don't believe we get no rest, because we're right on the lake, and them frogs is really letting it go tonight. But I'll get back with y'all in a minute and see y'all in a bit. Well, hey guys, we've been up a while. Clouds been in and out. My grandson's right there at the lake fishing. He's caught one, but it was too small. My wife's gonna cook. We're gonna cook some campfire biscuits and some sausage and gravy this morning. But we got up, made some coffee, and I had been sitting here just looking at the lake, and me and my wife been kind of relaxing. We ran out of worms yesterday. So he got up and went to digging worms this morning and got him some worms, so he's back down at the lake. But we're gonna cook these campfire biscuits and some sausage and gravy. And I think we may walk around this lake today. Every time I say something comes up, or my mind gets sidetracked and I don't do it. But me and my wife's planning on hiking around this lake today. I think the sign says it's 2 miles.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's 2 miles. If you walk around the lake, all the way around the lake, it's 2 miles. So that would be good for our exercising. So we're gonna cook these biscuits and sausage and gravy, and we're gonna eat something and kind of let our food digest, and I think we'll walk around this lake. But guys, it's starting to rain right now. Oh man, I hope it don't, but it's raining. If it does, we're gonna get in the van and wait it out or under the tent. But we may end up this may be a rain camp before it's over with. But anyway, guys, I'll get back with y'all in a minute. See y'all in just a bit. Hey guys, I told you we was gonna walk around the lake. I don't know if we're gonna do the 2 miles. I'm basically walking around this lake to see if I can find a place to put me some trout lines in and maybe catch me a turtle. But I'll show you. It's beautiful with this trail, guys. It's pretty. I'll show y'all what we seeing. How y'all doing?
Very good, brother.
Y'all doing all right?
How are you guys?
All right. Y'all gonna be on YouTube. This is one of the bridges, guys, on these trails. I think there's probably, gosh, I don't know, several of these bridges that you cross. Right up this trail is another campsite. If you go right up this trail, try to get the best I can. Right at the top of that trail, little trail, is a campsite right here. Like I said, this trail goes 2 miles around this lake. I want to show y'all guys something that I think is beautiful. I think these are called, are they honeysuckle trees? Is that? Yes. Guys, let me show y'all something. If I can get out here to it. I don't want to get out here and get snake bit to show, but y'all, guys, I think I tried to transplant one of these one time. No, this is not a honeysuckle tree. I don't know what this is, but guys, y'all have got to look at this. Mountain laurel? I mean, I don't know. It could be. If any guys, if y'all know what this is, please leave it in the comment. But if it is mountain laurel, I didn't know mountain laurel put out such a beautiful flower. But I could be wrong. Guys, it is loaded with the flowers. Oh, that thing is so pretty. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. Guys, I want to show y'all something else. It's all around these. I don't know how many of them they are, but they're all around this walking trail as you go around the lake. It tells you everything that's on this lake, the kind of species, plants that's in this area. And like I said, there's probably 20 of these signs for frogs and different birds and snakes and plants. But I'll show you guys another one, and which is a really, really important one, especially to my wife. And she still, to today, I tell her all the time what to look for, because guys, all she's got to do is touch one, and before it's over with, we'll have to take her to the hospital to get a shot. The last time it got on her, we had to take her to the hospital to get a shot. But she don't do poison ivy good at all. She can't. It'll eat her up. And me, I mean, I have got it, and it has irritated me and itched, and put some Curacum, what is that? Calamine lotion on it and clear it right up. Her, on the other hand, before it's over with, she's getting a shot at the emergency room.
Well, last time it was all over my face.
Yeah, it ate her up really bad. But like for instance, right here's another sign, and this one's I don't know if you guys can see that, but Carolina chickadee songbird. these things, these signs is all around this lake. Just really kind of, guys, it's really neat to look at and read, and it tells you different types of frogs and birds. And there, we're coming up on another one. You see how far they are apart. They're just everywhere. I mean, the park has really, and here's the one she needs to pay attention to. But anyway, guys, we're going to get back up here and doctor this rabbit up, and we're fixing a rotisserie rabbit. See y'all when we get there. Hey guys, got the rabbit, thawed it out, fixing to doctor it up, barbecue sauce, whatever, and put it on this rotisserie. Now guys, I'm not a rabbit hunter, but rabbit is some very, very good eating. And what it was this rabbit, it was kind of at the wrong place at the wrong time. It was in the woods. Okay, so I was walking through the woods and I seen this rabbit, and we got rabbit. But anyway, guys, here she is. I've done cleaned this rabbit now. I've done cleaned it. I'm gonna clean it up some more because we had it froze, but I have cleaned it. We're gonna doctor it up and put it on the rotisserie. I'm gonna wash it real good, and we're gonna see what barbecue rabbit on the rotisserie tastes like. Get back with y'all when we load it up. Now, on this rotisserie, we got it out, and it's the same batteries that was in it. So my wife said, she said, I hope that thing lasts long enough to cook it, but we'll see. I'll get back with y'all when we skewer this thing up and get it started. Hey guys, we're fixing to skewer this thing up. I kind of made a mistake. I got 3 rotisseries. I got 2 of these, and I got an electric one, heavy duty, that goes in a grill. This is the skewers off of that one. They don't fit this rotisserie. So, you see how they flop? Let me show you. They're flopping, but they're gonna work, but barely. So I'm gonna try to get this rabbit skewered up, and hopefully it works. Here's my rabbit. I'm gonna try to do it this way. It's hard to do kind of little animals. I'm hoping this will work. I don't know. Basically, all it's gonna do is hold it on there, hopefully. Ooh, that didn't work. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. Let's see.
Looks like it's fine.
I'm gonna call that a win. Hey guys, tell me, leave it in the comment, guys. I want to read some comments on this video. I want to know how many of y'all would eat barbecue rabbit like we're fixing now. How many of y'all would do it? How many of y'all wouldn't do it? I mean, rabbit is really good. They're really good meat. They're really good eating. We've never barbecued one, but hey, I think it'll be good. Leave it in the comment. Tell me what y'all think. All right, guys, looking good to me. I'll try anything. Barbecue, I've ate rabbit, but I've never ate barbecue rabbit. I think it's gonna be good. See y'all in a bit. Well guys, we under the tent while I was cooking up some hamburgers. And guess what? I know y'all can hear this. It is raining, fellas, hard. So we had to move everything under the tent. My rabbit. She's cooking hamburgers. But anyway, guys, we're in a rain. Now, guys, I do have to admit, when we get in that van and we're watching TV, laying on that big comfortable bed, memory foam bed, watching TV with the rain falling on that van, it is very, very cozy. We have been in a few storms and rains with it, and it is very cozy in that van. But anyway, guys, I hope it clears away though, so we can get back out and sit out by the fire. But I'll see y'all in just a bit. Hey guys, my wife got her little grill out and she's cooking up some hamburgers for us to eat tonight. And I think we're just gonna snack on this rabbit because, you know, there's not a lot of meat on it. We're just gonna snack on it and more or less eat it like jerky, but the hamburgers is what we're having for dinner. But guys, I'll get back with y'all when we plate it up.
Whoa.
Better get him. Well, guys, the rabbit is done. We killed it 2 times. And we went sitting over by the fire telling stories about Bigfoot. We started smelling something and we killed my rabbit 2 times. But a lot of the meat is good, and my wife don't like it. But rabbit is kind of sweet. It's like a sweet meat, like a sweet beef to me.
It's dark meat. I don't like
It's dark, but to me, it's got a great flavor. I really ain't gonna get to eat the front quarter because, you know, that's the thinnest part and it burnt. But I'm getting the tenderloin out of it. I called it backstrap a while ago, but it's tenderloin. I'm getting all the tenderloin out of it. And the rear quarters I'm gonna eat. Well, it's done halfway ate. But it is really good, guys. Y'all are to, if you get a chance to eat rabbit and it ain't burnt, I say go for it because it's really good. But this one's we did overdo it. We burned it accidentally, but I'm gonna eat what I can. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna sit and snack on this rabbit and I'll catch y'all later. Guys, we're calling it a day. It's starting to really cloud up and a lot of rain I think is coming in. So we're packing up, gonna get out of here, guys. We had fun, we relaxed, caught some fish, so we had a really good time, and we will be back and at the spot because we was right on the water and we liked it. My grandson fished. You could see right here's the lake, right down a little trail right here. There's a little trail, and here is the lake. So we was close to the lake, but right now we're packing up, going to get out of here. Didn't do breakfast today. It was a 2-day. We had breakfast yesterday. We're gonna get home, get everything packed up. Got some animals to feed, but guys, we had a good time. Thank y'all for coming along. Like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Seems like here lately we've had to cut them short the last 2 times we've camped, we had to cut them short. But we are going to get out here and we're going to stay about a week, 4 or 5 days, and we're going to better prepare ourselves. And I'm going to set some trout lines out, try to catch some turtles. I got one set out now. I was going to get it on video, but we was going to do it today. But now it's fixing to start raining and storming. I don't know if y'all can hear the thunder in the background, but we're going to get out of here, guys. Thank y'all for coming along. Sorry for having to cut it short again, guys. Like and subscribe. Thank the good Lord every day you get up. Thank Him. He's why you're getting up. He'll never leave you. He'll never forsake you. Love the Lord. I wouldn't know what to do without Him, guys. Put your boots on and get outside. I'll catch y'all on the next one.